Hello students, I am Samkit Bhatia. I'm a co-founder at EduSure and your economics coach. So every year in the third year, when the students actually join us for the Eco Topper course, most of them actually tell us that, sir, आपने ये बताया ही नहीं that you have an Eco Foundation course. So if you have already decided to make MA Eco as your career option and you have more than a year, the Eco Foundation is the right course for you. It's a 6-month absolutely focusing on the foundation course, which will make your MA Eco journey in the advanced Eco Topper course an absolute breeze. And to give you confessions of all the students who have actually made it to the top institutes of the country, they attribute the Eco Foundation course as the head start that they got for their journey to an ISI or a DSC or a JNU or an IGIDR or an IIT. In fact, if I take a look at the statistics, it is an overwhelming 50% higher than the Eco Topper course. That is the success rate for a student joining the Eco Foundation course. That is absolutely correct. An Eco Foundation and Eco Topper combined student has a 50% more chance of making it into their dream institute vis-a-vis an only Eco Topper student. Think of your MA Eco journey like a marathon of 42 kilometers. You're not expected to run 10, 15 or even say 20 kilometers in the first instance. You start with a 1 kilometer or a 2 kilometer or a 5 kilometer run and you slowly build up the stamina. So if you have more than a year, why not start building the stamina for your 42 kilometer MA Eco Marathon today? About the classes for Eco Foundation, the classes will be held 2 times a week, Monday, Friday at 8:30 p.m. in the evening. It is made at a convenient time so that you can have your dinner and sit and study for a good 1 hour in the night. The schedule is completely pre-planned and it is made in a way that the 6 months will count for all the most important topics for your entrance examination. And there's much more. Along with the Eco Foundation course, we are offering all the semester courses of your college for absolutely free. So the coaching for all your semester needs is complimentary along with the Eco Foundation course with EduSure. So while you prepare for the big leagues, you also prepare for your college examinations with a breeze. So if you have already decided for your MA Eco journey, then don't wait. You have more than a year, make it count. Remember that each and every student who has made it to the top institute of the country took a decision when they had to. You can also do the same. The choice is absolutely up to you. We students have a tendency to cram up everything in the last minute and then we think that, okay, next time I'll do better. Well, there's the little secret. There doesn't have to be a next time. Over the years, we have actually seen that the 1-year Eco Topper course is getting many repeaters. You don't have to repeat if you plan for success early on, because the feedback that we get from all the repeaters is that, sir, it's a little too late to build up my foundation. So the Eco Foundation is the perfect platform for you to start your success early on. So take the decision. I'll be seeing each of you in the Eco Foundation course where we will strive to make your MA Eco journey an absolute breeze and make it happen for you. I'll be there every step of the way with you. I'll see you in class and in the Eco Foundation course.